So this is a little video about Eric Garner, a person from New York City in which the police choked him out and they ended up killing him. My whole take on that issue is, why didn't that cop get arrested? I mean, I don't think he should have gotten murder one or anything, but if it was anyone except a cop in such a situation, he would have been taken to trial, and it would probably have been given a manslaughter charge at the very least. One issue I really do have with police officers is actually just the justice system in general, is how unfair it really does seem. There have been cases where people have had someone break into their homes and they have been able to defend themselves and incapacitate their attacker, only for that thief or whatever saying that they made no assault moves on them and ended up suing the homeowners because they assaulted them. When you look at all the facts of the Eric Garner case, the cop used Eric Garner being a slightly heavier weight might have had a lot, I think, to do with his death, because it was a combination between the chokehold and their chest compression. So, which first off, chokeholds are illegal in that police department, so even though the guy said he was trying to put him in a headlock, he put him in a chokehold, which that in itself is bad. The other thing is, it wasn't necessary. While he did sort of, kind of, I guess, resist arrest by sort of waving the other cop off, he was taken from behind without any actual warning, and there was absolutely no reason for such force to be used. He wasn't running away or anything, he was staying in one spot, and it's just kind of messed up. I understand that the police want to protect their own officers in a way so if they can uphold a certain law and order thing, but that doesn't work if you're trying to keep faith in the system that it's working for, because people are going to notice. There are other cases I know which have cops doing something questionable, or something questionable happens and it doesn't get taken seriously or whatever, but I honestly haven't heard much about them. I haven't looked into them, and if I haven't looked into it on my own, then I'm not going to really have an opinion on it. I have an opinion on this one because I watched the footage that someone recorded, you know, of the guy just not really doing anything, getting choked out and repeatedly saying he can't breathe and forced on the ground and whatnot. Like I said, I know that the cop, I don't really think the cop wanted that to happen, but at the same time, if it wasn't a cop, I'm pretty sure that person would have at least gotten a manslaughter charge. And that's my only problem, my biggest problem with this kind of scenario.